how do you find time to do all this stuff? I said, I have all the time. I'm doing very little. I'm truly like a child. I exercise a lot. I eat a lot. I sleep a lot. And I work the rest of my day, and that's it.
Okay, if I ask you, Rakesh, to take a step back and look at that Rakesh, who, with all the ambition, started the company, who had the best cut suit and the best watches of the world on his wrist and the cars to drive, to the Rakesh of today,
Yeah.
the phases that your life went through, and if there are words for each of those phases, what would the words that you would use to describe each of those phases, from your childhood to your college to that best cut suit to the Rakesh Shukla today? What are the words that you would use to describe?
Actually, I think my I'm struggling a little bit because my ambition is actually greater than what it was before. My ambition, if you ask me truly, my ambition today, if I look at it purely in financial numbers, my ambition today is much larger than my ambition was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, I also had all these distractions, all these things that would take my time. The social aspect, this aspect, that aspect, my time is very pure now. I think I have to think of new products and ways to sell them. And I have, like I said, we have built a very solid team who can actually make it happen. So my job is to think of things, the ways in which we can grow. And I have the capability and the team to actually invest in that growth. So my ambition is purely financially much larger than before, actually. Let's put it this way. If I was aiming for 100 crore payout 10 years back, then I'm aiming for 1,000 crore payout today. My ambition is much bigger, except that my I don't value money as something to consume. I mean, it doesn't show on the this thing. This T-shirt is at least 10 years old, and it was one of those T-shirts that was bought like 1,000 rupees. You get 10 T-shirts. So my wife had bought a pack of 10 T-shirts for me, and I still use them. My shoes are actually like 300 rupees. My pants are 300 rupees. Amazon stuff. Okay, so actually from top to bottom, right now I'm within 1,000 rupees. That's what I wear all the time. So what I'm saying, my desire, my hunger for money and for growth is much more than before. But my hunger for consumption is nothing. I don't consume that money anymore.
So the purpose driving you is different.
I need to, like I said, I'm the keeper of his dogs. And I don't plan for the rest of my life. I don't plan for, when I'm 75 and retired and 85, I'll never retire. Okay. But my plan is, in the next 5 years, can I leave a legacy of 1,000 crores for my dogs, which makes sure that for many generations, they are all secure. That's my plan. That's all I think about.
Wow. Okay.
So the hunger is actually more, but like I said, it's not for personal consumption.
Yeah.
People ask me, yesterday there was a conversation on my college Facebook WhatsApp group, and somebody once said that how does he take care of dogs? How do you know he takes care of dogs well when he spends 1,00,000 rupees on his body every month? That he's built like that, and The fact is that I've never had a gym membership. Like, I don't have a bank account. I don't know anybody who doesn't have a bank account. I don't have a bank account. I don't have a Google Pay account. I don't have any digital money. I don't have any, right? Similarly, I've never been to a gym. I just bought, and I started 3 years back. I started from the same van. I had a bar here, and I started with 20 kgs of weight, and I used to take it out here, and I just started practicing, and that weight has kept increasing. So to become incredibly strong, you only need one bar and nothing. And when my wife comes, like I said, and the people, when I lift, I'm barefoot. You don't even need shoes, because the best balance you have is if you are barefoot.
Yeah.
Right. So I don't even wear shoes. So to become like incredibly strong, you don't need money.
It's just going to the right bar that makes all the difference.
Yeah, it's just going to the right bar.